Searching for a free VPN for your Windows PC? Because even your computer deserves a private life. So first, go to the settings. Network and Internet. VPN. Now click on Add a VPN connection. VPN provider is set to default to Windows built-in. Here, you can give it any name you want. This is the most important part. For this, first, you have to go to vpngate.net. Here, you'll find so many VPN servers that you can use totally for free. You just need to find the best server with the lowest ping and high speed. Let's choose this one. Copy the SSDP hostname. And paste it here. Choose SSDP. Both the username and password are set as VPN. Now just click on Save. And guess what? You have successfully created a free VPN for your PC. Now let's check if it works or not. It is working totally fine. Hope I helped you. If yes, then hit that like button for YouTube algorithm, share this video to spread the tech, and subscribe for more clarity.